So let's have Mr. Lorenzo is an accountant at a private company in Makati. So he is a monthly paid employee and earns a daily rate of 1,200 based on 365 days a year. So let's compute his annual, semi-monthly, weekly, and daily rates. So first, his we're given his daily rate. Okay, so daily. Okay, that is equivalent to 1,200 pesos. Okay, ayan. And then, after knowing this, we can now proceed to finding the annual. Okay, so annual salary of Mr. Lorenzo will be computed by knowing that in 1 year we have 365 days. Okay, so we will multiply the daily rate or daily salary of Mr. Lorenzo by 365 to get his annual salary. So 1,200 times 365, and that will give us 438,000 pesos. Okay, so that is his annual salary. Now we can proceed to his monthly salary. So for monthly salary, we know that in 1 year it's equivalent to 12 months. Okay, so for this one, we will just divide the annual salary by 12 because we have 12 months. So 438,000 divided by 12. That will give us his monthly salary of 36,500 pesos. Okay? And then we proceed to his semi-monthly. So for semi-monthly, it will just be the monthly salary divided by 2. So we will just divide 36,500 by 2, and that will give us 18,250 pesos. And last one, we have the weekly. So for our weekly rate, we have to divide our annual salary by 52 because again 1 year is equivalent to 52 weeks. Okay, so let's divide. So 438,000 divided by 52. So his weekly salary will be 8,423. Okay, let's fix that. Okay, so 0.08 pesos. And that's it. So we have computed his annual, monthly, semi-monthly, and weekly rate. Alright. Ta-da!